The Canon error code 716 occurs when there is a communication issue between the machine and the optional cassette or two-way unit. This error can be caused by faulty communication between the machine and the cassette. Defects on the cable, such as when the power cord is pulled from the cassette pedestal during standby or when the cassette pedestal power cord is accidentally tugged on. To resolve the issue, several solutions can be applied. Checking the cable for any damage and replacing it if necessary. Replacing the old DC controller PCB with a new one. Replacing the old cassette pedestal driver PCB. Or installing a new two-way unit. Additionally, removing the cassette and cleaning the accessible electrical parts before putting it back in may also resolve the issue. Updating the firmware to the latest version can also be beneficial. By trying out these solutions, the Canon error code 716 can be fixed.